what up, y'all? What's it looking like out there, man? Like, I honestly don't know. So I'm like, although all right, let me preface, okay? This dopamine detox of me on social media, it's still a battle. You know, I haven't quit cold turkey yet, but the steps that I've taken is remove the notifications, like turn off notifications on all the apps that I'm frequently on, your Twitter, your YouTube, etc., so that I don't see it on my screen as soon as I open, like compelled to click on something, right? So I'm removing that aspect, and I'm filling in my time with meditation and actively trying to reset my algorithm, both on the internet and mentally, right? Because we have that internal algorithm that constantly show us things in the material world that we are attracted to, right? Whether it be an individual, whether it be like luxury items or whatnot. So we have those queued up in our internal algorithm, and they present themselves on our timelines, right? So what I'm doing is just trying to reset that and put things there intentionally, like removing myself and seeing me as, you know, that third person, you know, like, okay, what does he drive? You know, start putting together the cars that I'm interested in and asking myself, why do I drive these things, right? What does he do? Like play basketball, softball, kickball, you know, putting those in place. Where does he go? And I'm like putting together places where I like to travel that I haven't been to before. So seeing if me doing that mindset shift and also doing that physically on the internet would sort of put those things back in the timeline. So instead of me consuming content that's not going to get me closer to that goal or that lifestyle, I'm starting to put that in place so that I'm seeing that on the daily, right? It's sort of like we like repetition. The subconscious mind loves repetition. So instead of flooding me with different shit, I'm being very intentional and specific with what I want, right? And it comes from meditation. We're still running that right now. So if you want an accountability partner, just hit me down in the description, say I'm in, and that's all it takes, man. And then we just check in on each other throughout the week. I give you means and ways for you able to do that, right? But yeah, that's what I've been doing, man, and enjoying like that combination. Like it's like a cocktail of power, presence, and warmth. I feel when I'm in that state, like sky is the limit. I just feel superhuman, right? And it's just all from rhythm, right? I'll go rhythm. You know, it's all about rhythm. So it's not like one or the other. It's something that has to happen natural. So as opposed to like quitting things cold turkey, what's going to happen is you're going to, just like anything else that you're addicted to, once you try to quit cold turkey, all those pain points come into high gear, and next thing you know, you down bad worse than you were before, right? So I'm just making sure that I'm just doing it naturally, you know, not trying to rush anything, coming from that sense of power. And then the presence is what sort of create that awareness, right? And the warmth, just like the confidence, like, yo, I got this. You know what I'm saying? I got this. So if you're able to sort of mold those things, the power, presence, and warmth, like get that sort of mindset, you'll just be flowing and in tune with shit, right? You're going to attract the people into your life that you want there, right? You're going to start attracting those opportunities and so on and so forth, man. So, yeah, these are the thoughts that I'm going through right now. And this is what I'm practicing right now, you know, and I'm putting it out there because this is the best way I can hold myself accountable. It's like, yo, it's already out there, you know what I'm saying? So just doing it out loud so that my failures can be highlighted, my successes could be highlighted. But one thing people need to realize, man, and I've had these conversations over and over again, you know, people just seem stuck, don't know where to start. And it's just that fear, the fear of maybe potentially going down that wrong path. But it's an adventure, man. Like, you get to create your own adventure. Start the fantasy up here and then live it out here. Like, that is insane, man. That is insane. So, like, get started. There's no better time to actually start. Start with the meditation, man. If you feel stuck, you don't know what to do, where to go, like what you want, meditation, the answers come through your meditation, all right? If you're not one with yourself, you won't be able to, you'll just be subconsciously programmed from whatever it is out there, you know? There's like different ways of targeting a human being's emotions and ego and whatnot for you to do God knows what to get what you think you want, right? But if it's coming from you, you're able to stay still and ask yourself these questions and be hard on yourself, and like, because only like in that space, it's your own kingdom. And you get to mold and design whatever life that you want. You get to build a whole world in there, right? Build a whole world in there, and then, you know, come out and see where the opportunities come. Then you go down the different rabbit holes. But it starts from, like, if you're stuck, and I've spoken to a lot of stuck people. They've done the meditation. Get the newbie gains that meditation gives you. It's just like working out. You know, first 21 days, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you're like on swole. But then you got to go a little deeper. And that's the scary part, going a little bit deeper. And then you just get stronger and stronger until your mind is focused as buck. And that focus is going to start sprouting new ideas, new opportunities, new relationships, and just keeps on going and on and on. So, yeah. Other than that, I am continuing back in the gym. I did beat myself up yesterday. I had squats and bench yesterday. So I took a little rest because, of course, I'm still sore as hell. I was just wobbling and all that. And then tomorrow we have the hinge day. So we're back to deadlifting. And I'm going to pace myself yet again, you know, meditate before those workouts. So I'm going in with clarity and see the strength gains and the mental gains just continue to go hand in hand, right? Anyway, just my thoughts. Don't forget to drink water, get money, mind your business. I'm out.